Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. Today we'll be learning how to create Facebook page for your business or educational institute. The first step is to log in to your Facebook. You can see pages on your left hand side. Click on pages. Step number 2 is to click on create new page. Now give the necessary details. For categories, you can choose more than one option, but I'm good with one, so I'll proceed to step number 3. But before that, on your right hand side, you're able to see a preview of your page. You also have an option to see how it will look on your phone. Now, step number 3 is to click on create page. Your page is now created. As you can see, I can now add images or I can add more details to my page. I hope my video has helped you to know how to create page on Facebook. Subscribe to our channel to stay connected with us and learn more. Share it with your friends, like our video and comment below if you have any requests or queries. Thank you.